Hi, I'm Olga, and this is the Papercraft Society monthly subscription box available at CraftStash. The box features new designer each month, and I'm so happy to announce that I am the Girl of the Month for the January 2012. Inside the box, you are going to find a large die set, as well as stamps, an embossing folder, inks, papers, embellishments, and a booklet full of inspiration and step-by-step tutorials. You can get the box for $24.99, but it's going to be even cheaper if you subscribe. The subscription plan is really flexible. You can unsubscribe at any time, and you can also skip any month if you want to. The box also contains £10 voucher to be spent on CraftStash, which makes it even more amazing deal. This box is going to be available until December the 20th, and it's going to be shipped to you in January. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I hope to see you again really soon.